Hi guys! As promised, here is the part 2 of my collab with iPad Planner. Enjoy! Today, I'll be setting up my April monthly spread in this particular digital bullet journal from my iPad Planner. But of course, still expect a setup with me on my personal bullet journal. I use this planner for my work and to track my socials, like when I'll be posting on Instagram or here on YouTube. My theme for this month, if it's not yet too obvious, will be summer, since I'm starting to feel the summer heat. This month will be colorful and more alive, just how I wish this month would be. I'm so excited for the long weekends that is soon to come. I'll be sure to post a update on that on either my Instagram or here. Who knows? So make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to be always updated. Since I don't have anything to write for my daily spread for April as of now, here is a overview of how I use my weekly or daily spreads for the month of March. And that's about it. Again, if you're interested with this particular bullet journal, the link is down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my iPad planner on Instagram and on YouTube. The links will be down below. So if you like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up button and of course the red subscribe button down below as well. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!